Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious tortitas de papa con jamón y queso. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Okay, so here I already boiled and peeled my potatoes, and I like to boil my potatoes with the skin on, so like that the potatoes don't absorb so much water and don't lose their flavor. So once we have them ready, going to begin to smash them down, and I'm just using a ricer so like that the potatoes can be nicely smashed. Once we smash down our potatoes, now we're just going to season it with black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, chicken bouillon, and salt. Just make sure that you add it evenly so like that all of the potatoes are nice and seasoned. Along with that, we're going to add our breadcrumbs. Going to lightly beat 1 egg, add it to the mix. Now begin to mix it all together. And before you add the egg, you can taste the potatoes and see if you need to add any more salt. Okay, so once the potato mixture is nice and smooth, now we can add the ham. And just make sure that it's all mixed in. Okay, so now to shape our tortitas, we're going to be grabbing about 4 tablespoons of our potato mixture. And you just want to roll it. Begin to flatten it out. I am going to stuff it with some queso Oaxaca. So here we're just going to stuff it and then cover it just like that. Going to be grabbing a little bit of oil just to rub it all around. And just begin to flatten it out. And once we have it, we're going to set it to the side and just repeat the process with the rest of our mixture. And once we have shaped the tortitas, we can now get ready to take it to the stove. Okay, so here I have my comal over medium-low heat. I added a little bit of oil, so now it's nice and hot. We can place our tortitas, and we're just going to allow them to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. After 3 minutes, flip it over to the other side, and allow that side to cook for another 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes, we're going to flip it over one more time. And now we're just going to allow that side to cook for another 2 minutes. Okay, and after 2 minutes, our delicious tortitas are done. So we can remove them from the comal and we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. These tortitas are seriously super easy to make. They're so delicious, and best part, budget friendly. Now of course I love to fry them in oil, but this is honestly a good alternative. So hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. They're so simple, yet so flavorful, so delicious. Alright guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious tortitas de papa con jamón y queso. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.